The kopjes provide not only ambush points, but also safe spots for rearing cubs. Lionesses choose secluded rock cracks to hide their cubs, shielding them from predators and the harsh midday sun. This unique rocky environment supports their adaptability, helping the lions sustain and protect their pride, even in the challenging kopje terrain. The Serengeti swamps, concentrated around major rivers like the Grumeti and Mara, serve as natural reservoirs amidst the dry landscape. These wetlands retain moisture and water, even as surrounding grasslands and woodlands dry out during the dry season. They play a critical role, attracting migratory and resident animals alike by providing a stable water source. The Serengeti swamps are more than just wetland areas, they are biodiversity hubs. Tall shrubs and thick grasses offer hiding spots for large mammals, shielding them from predators. This lush environment creates a vibrant ecological portrait of a thriving Serengeti, helping maintain the natural balance through the harsh dry season. The Serengeti swamps are also a haven for the Maasai giraffe. The abundant year-round water here enables them to stay hydrated without traveling far, unlike in drier regions. With plentiful food and constant water, Maasai giraffes focus on foraging for acacia trees and tall shrubs, essential nutrition for their large bodies. Standing between 15 to 18 feet tall, they have a significant advantage, easily surveying their surroundings for predators from afar, enhancing their survival. Their long, powerful legs allow them to traverse soft and marshy swamp terrain easily and also serve as a formidable defense. The rear legs of a Maasai giraffe are powerful enough to deliver a kick that can seriously injure a predator, providing effective self-defense when threatened. During the rainy season, when the swamps are at their lushest, Maasai giraffes often concentrate on reproduction. The dense swamp areas provide an ideal setting for birthing, ensuring safety and protection for newborns from potential threats. Shortly after birth, calves can stand and follow their mothers, increasing their chances of survival in the challenging swamp environment. Spanning the Serengeti swamps, the African sacred ibis finds a promised land in the shallow waters and abundant vegetation. This environment is ideal for exploiting diverse food sources, from fish and insects to various invertebrates. Their flexible survival skills allow the sacred ibis to adapt when food becomes scarce, particularly during the dry season, prompting them to seek new water sources. Sacred ibis flocks play a crucial role in maintaining communal bird safety in the swamps. During the breeding season, they gather in large groups, building nests from branches and grass in dense bushes or low trees to protect their eggs from predators. Their flocking behavior helps detect threats quickly and increases the protection of young birds.